Hi friends, today we just see about how we can make a soap for our babies at home. For that I'm taking dried orange peel and grind it well as a powder. And next I'm taking neem and I just extracted the puree from that neem. Okay, let's we see how we can make that soap at home. For that, I'm taking one big bowl, and what are the things required, we just see. I'm just taking jasmine essence, puree of that neem, some amount of turmeric powder, that orange peel powder, pinch of sandal powder, and some amount of kasturi manjal powder, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 cup of soap base, exactly 500 grams. Come, let's see how we can make the soap. For that, I'm taking one bowl and I'm just pouring that soap base at this bowl, and now I'm going to melt it. I'm just melted that soap base. Now I'm going to add the mentioned ingredients. First, I'm going to add 1 glass of that neem extract, and I need to stir it well. Why I'm adding neem in the sense it will remove excessive dirt as well as oil, and it will keep our skin very clear. Next, I'm going to add some turmeric powder. This turmeric powder which act as an antiseptic, so it will prevent our skin from that rashes, unwanted dirt problems like pimples, etc. For that I'm adding that turmeric powder. I need to stir it well. Now I'm going to add orange peel powder. Orange peel powder. It naturally contains vitamin C so that it can make our skin to glow brightly, as well as it reopens the pores of the skin cells so that our skin can respire easily. For that purpose I'm adding. Why I'm blending like this means that powder and all which causes bubbles inside that soap base. To avoid that, I'm just stirring it well. And now I'm adding some pinch of sandal powder. Why I'm adding sandal powder in the sense it will retains the pH level, and also it will make our skin as cool for the summer. Now I'm adding aloe vera gel. It will retain our pH as well as moisture level of our skin. For that I'm adding aloe vera gel. It also keeps our skin glowy as well as smooth and cool. Now I'm going to add kasturi manjal powder. Kasturi manjal powder naturally it gives some color and pigmentations to our skin. For that purpose I'm adding that kasturi manjal powder. This also helpful to us to remove that dirt thing as well as pimple, rashes and all. This soap will give us plenty of benefits to our skin. Why? Because this is the summer season, so our skin suffers from lot of dirty problems like rashes and pimples. To avoid this, we're adding that. Now I'm adding jasmine essence for fragrance. I'm just for soap mold. I'm just taking the kid's bat. I'm just cutting it into pieces. You can pour that soap in soap base also, but for time being, I'm just choosing this. Please keep that soap base mixture aside for some times. Why? Because it sometimes the heat will melt that plastic too. Now I'm going to pour the soap base into my soap mold. After 1 hour, that soap mold got settled down properly and the soap got hardened. This is the stage we need to cut it out. Now I just separated my soap from soap mold. It got settled down properly. Now I'm going to cut that soap into pieces. For that I'm using knife. Wow, the color gives a more attraction than that soap thing. It also retains our skin healthy for summer as well as winter season. Wow, I got a super soap. From that, I just used 500 grams of soap base and I got nearly 7 to 8 soaps. You just try it out. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.